It's Monday, July 22nd here at Laurel Canyon at one of our repeat clients' houses. We came here to remove a double door fridge, marble tabletop, little counter, and some other miscellaneous stuff. We had to disassemble the fridge doors to get it through the house since it's very narrow. But no problem for us. All we had to do is disassemble it real quick. And the rest of the items are in the garage, or they were. There are white cabinets over here. And that table with a marble top was here. Nothing too big for Junk Giant. Yeah.